Hello everyone, today we're gonna start a project that will blink an LED on a STM32 board. In order to do that, we need a STM32 F103 BluePill board and also a ST-Link programmer. So let's go. We have to begin with starting a new project. So in the STM32 CubeIDE, we have to click on Start New STM32 Project. We can do it by clicking here. Well, now we have to choose our MCU. We have to actually write our MCU part number here, but I have it in my favorite part here. I can just click here and then here. Then we have to actually create a name for our project. So for example, STM32 underline blink underline LED. Let's go. We're gonna let other options to be on default. We click finish. So here we go. Now we have the actually Cube MX here. First thing we have to do is actually going to System Core, RCC. We are gonna use actually a 8 megabyte crystal. So we're gonna choose crystal here. Then in SYS we have to choose serial wire. Now we are going to configuration and we want it to be 72 megahertz. So we click OK. Next thing we have to do is going to pin out. Well, now we have to configure a GPIO as an output so that we can connect it to our LED. In this video, we're gonna use a built-in LED which is in a BluePill, and we already know that that LED is connected to PC13. So we just click on PC13 and make it an GPIO output. There we go. There is nothing left here. We can now generate the code with this button. Okay, now we can go to main.c, core source main.c. The only thing that is left, we have to go to while loop and use hull function to toggle an LED. For example, hull underline GPIO underline toggle. Control the space, as well as GPIO C, and the pin is actually 13. So hull GPIO toggle pin, just check what is the state of the pin and then toggle it. You can totally find out what it's gonna do from its name. So there is one more thing that we have to do, having a delay so can see the toggling, and we're gonna use hull underline delay. For example, we can go with 500 millisecond. Done. There we go. Now we have actually a project that can blink an LED. We have to build it first. There we go. We don't have any problem or any error. And now we have to program it in our board. We don't have anything to do with this section. Just click OK. There we go. Congratulations. You have completed the first step in the STM32 world. Good luck.